Yes, I want to know your first reaction, guys.
Let's try that. What's that?
Oh yeah. Oh, you
Yeah.
don't take that. You have to take that too. Are you ready?
Yeah, almost want to get some.
Yeah. I want to have your reaction.
That's my point.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What happened?
It's good. It kind of tastes like potato salad.
Okay.
Okay.
Continue. It's 1.
Yeah.
That's good.
You taste the rice? Okay. Let me see the rice right now. Now the fish.
Yeah, let me. Give me a little bite. That's good.
Okay.
That's good flavor.
It's good. So, 0 to 10, how much you give me?
10,000.
And you, 0 to 10, how much you give?
Yeah. I tried a whole fish before at that.
You have to try.